Hello everybody. Do another sunset painting with palm tree. Made this stencil out. So I'm gonna kind of just mist a little black so I know where the water meets the sky so it matches up with the stencil. Okay. I use this paint edger. I don't even know what this big scraper looking thing is called, but just gonna use that to make life a little easier for me. Just gonna place that to divide the sun and the water, or the sky and the water, I should say. I'm gonna try something different on this one. I'm gonna make the sun with this glow-in-the-dark paint. Well, hopefully it will be a sun and a moon when I'm done, depending if your lights are on or off. I'm going to have to let that dry before I put this cap on there. Use it as a circle stencil. So we'll be back in 20 minutes or so. Okay, back at it again. Now that she's dried, I put that cap right on that glow-in-the-dark spot. I'm hoping this works as sun and a moon all at the same time. We'll see. We're gonna start with some sky. This is white, this isn't yellow. Fade her down to orange. Fade up and down to orange. So, do a little bit of that. Take just a light orange at the bottom. This way, when I do the water, and might shine some highlights through it. Orange up in the, I don't know, we'll try some pink, we'll see how it looks. If not, we'll change it. I'm gonna maybe try a little light blue on top of that, see how that looks. We're trying anything right now. You can always paint over it if it don't look right. And maybe I'll go back with a little orange and fade that out a little better. Go back with a little yellow, brighten that up a little bit. Oh shoot, of course it starts splattering. Worst time ever for that to happen. Perfect. Just gonna have to go with a little more of everything. A little red. Let's see how that works. That's better. Alright, now we're going to take this device again, and I'm going to get the caps off all of my different arrangements of blues and a little bit of white. So we'll start out by putting this guy down, separate the water from the sky. A little bit of white right down the middle, like a nice sunny reflection. A little light blue. We're just going to keep getting a little darker as we go out. Darkest blue last. That is almost out. And I'm going to go in with a little bit of this glow in the dark. If it works, which it's not. Right. Alright, I guess we're not going to do that. Which don't want to work. So, go with the clear. I'm going to hose down this water area so the colors kind of mix together a little easier. Take my hand, just gently go back and forth. See that orange picking up there? Alright, so we'll reveal our sun slash hopefully moon. Now we gotta let this completely dry before we throw the stencil back down on top of it. Otherwise it's just gonna stick together. So we're gonna give that 20-30 minutes, let it completely dry, put the stencil down, and it's just one stencil. Throw black, clear coat over it, and be done. Alright, it's been a little over 20 minutes, so I got my stencil I made out. Line that up. Alright, back at it again. I keep getting interrupted. Just gonna throw down some weights so I don't get the underspray going like crazy. for these little guys. Hold these all down. Of course it won't stand up. Why wouldn't it? Oh, let's hope that's enough. I'll just spray that way. Let's see how this one turned out. Grab my knife so I can pick this off without smudging everything. Yeah, messed up a couple of spots. I'll just touch it up with my paint marker. Alright, it's decent. Throw some clear coat down on it, give her the old signature, and another landscape painting in the books. Put a signature down on it, and we'll see how dark I can get it in here, and see if the sun will turn into the moon. Alright, I'm going to kill the lights. We'll see how that looks, see if that sun glows in the dark. I can see it a little bit. Still pretty light in here, it's hard to see on camera, but dark room it looked cool. touch that up a little more because it kind of look funky. Maybe I should use a paintbrush. Let's hope I don't grip on it. That's not turning out too good. It's just gonna have to do for now. I'll have to wait until it dries and then come back and touch it up a little bit. Show you what it's looking like for now. Gotta touch up that top palm tree, as you can see. But all in all, pretty good. Well, thanks for watching. Please do subscribe. We'll see you next week.